As with any product in its second generation, we learned a lot the first time around, and we had a whole list of things that we could improve for the second generation of the JetForce system. So the JetForce BT really incorporates a lot of those. First, we moved the fan unit from the side of the pack down to the bottom, where it carries better and has a lower center of gravity. The battery unit is also down there, out of the way, so that it's not in the way of carrying. We lost a lot of weight. The fan unit is roughly half the size of the old one, but uses the same fan blade and fan system, so the inflation time wasn't decreased at all. One of the unique features of the JetForce BT system is that it has the ability to deflate itself after 3 minutes. So if you were in a terrain trap and did get buried, the system will actually suck all of the air out of the airbag, which could potentially create an air pocket and allow you a little more time under the snow while your buddies dig you out. A significant feature of the JetForce BT system is its ability to do self-diagnostics. So the system knows if there's an error or something like that. As long as you have the green light, you're good to go. So all you do, you arm it by pushing the button, and then when you need to deploy the bag, you just pull the handle. One of the big advantages to the new JetForce BT system is the ability to update via the new Bluetooth app. You can just download the update from PIEPS on your phone, talk directly to your backpack. There's no longer a need to go to the service center to get your pack updated. You just do it right there at home on your phone.
We designed the JetForce BT packs to be super clean and minimal. There's a large main compartment where your avalanche safety gear also stores in. We designed the JetForce BT system to be modular, so you could zip on different front faces of these packs for different missions if you're just going out for a couple hours or a multi-day trip. We offer a 10, a 25, and a 35 liter option. One of the biggest benefits from the JetForce 1 system to the new JetForce BT system is the ability to change the deployment handle from either the left side to the right side or vice versa. Another feature that sets this pack design apart from other competitors is the easy-to-use leg loop. The leg loop was designed with a metal carabiner clip to make it easy to clip to the waist belt, as well as a quick and easy feature to make the leg loop easy to retract.